Let's look at the Events Cards template at SharePoint The design of this template is to help show upcoming events for a business organization in cards in a way that's going to be visually appealing for users. So this layout just shows the name of the event and then the date, including the start and end time, in a user-friendly format, some of the details, and then also a button which will link to another page to include even more event information. So you can have that on or off optionally according to what you want. In order to use this template, you do need to make sure you have the fields set up, which are described in the help section in the blue box in the lower left. So I have a SharePoint list, and these are the fields that you need in your own list in order to use this template. You need the title, which is going to be the title of the event, and then you'll need two date fields for the event start and for the event end. The description field should be a multi-line text field, and then you can add a hyperlink field to store a link to that information. There's an additional field we need called day name. That's calculated, and that's to format the day name in a user-friendly manner. There's some notes about how to set that up in the bottom. Should note the link field is actually a text field. I said that was hyperlink. It's just regular text. In any case, just follow the precise directions on your field setup, and then you will be ready to go. Let's go ahead and copy in the default template just to see how that changes the appearance of my information in the SharePoint list. So you can just copy the template. This is a view template, so go to the view selector, then format current view, then advanced mode, and paste in your code and save. Okay, so there are my cards, and you can see how it's laid out. I've got the name of the event and then the day of the week, so it just says MOM because that's Monday, and then it tells me the date and then the start and end time for the event. Naturally, you can change the look and feel of these and adjust these according to whatever your preferences may be. So we'll try adjusting a couple options just to see what that looks like. Maybe, for example, you don't want the button. You can uncheck that box, and then you can do things like adjust the border color. Maybe I want to go for navy blue for that, or change the header background. You have all kinds of different options like that. So you can make those adjustments. Here, let's go for a little bit bigger font size. Oh, that's too big. Let's bring it back down. I can adjust the other things such as the height of the description, and then maybe I want curved corners around the edges just to give it a little bit different kind of effect. I can do the corner radius like that. So all kinds of different things I can tweak and adjust to get this to look however I want it to look. Here, let's do a little bit wider card width, and then maybe I can do a bigger font size. There we go. Okay, so now I can copy my template and just replace the code I had before and save. And now I've got a different look for those cards. And you want to set it up so that the cards, just fill the screen how you want. And I can do that easily by adjusting this cards per row setting. So I will copy that, come back over, format again, replace, paste, and save. And when I come back out of that window, you'll see now it looks the way that I want. Naturally, you'd want to set this view up so that it's going to filter those events. So you'd want to have those, of course, in chronological order according to the start date. And then you may also want to have a filter to remove events that have already passed. So this would be great to set up as a web part. You could show it on a landing page or an events page in your SharePoint site to have it look visually appealing to users. A lot better than just kind of the plain, boring, out of the box list. This is once again the event cards template at SharePointDashboards.com. If you want to try out SharePoint Dashboards, you can sign up for a free account, which does include 20 free templates. You can just come to SharePointDashboards.com to sign up for that. I hope you find that useful, and I hope you can use this template to have a nice event listing page for your organization and your SharePoint site. Good luck.